3, 2, 1. Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me why you're running back to.
Hey babes, what's up? Today I have an amazing thrift haul for you guys with so many good gems. So I'm actually so excited. I'm just gonna jump right into the video. But before I do that, I'm gonna remind you guys to subscribe right now. And after you're done watching this video, make sure you binge watch the rest of my videos because you never know. You might love them and you might want to stick around. I'm gonna go ahead and jump straight into this thrift haul because I'm just ecstatic for the amazing things I found. One of the first things I got was this really cute pink baby tee. I call it a baby tee because I see that trending all over the place. I know Pretty Little Things are selling them. They're all over these Instagram boutiques. And so I made sure to look in the kids section to where maybe there'd be like toddler to 10 years old clothes. And I found this really cute Crocs t-shirt and I cut it a little bit so that it wasn't so tight on the bottom or on my sleeves or my neckline. So as you can see in the try on, it's a really cute kind of just hot pink, and I thought it was so cute because Crocs are such a thing, and it was a medium, but like I said, it was in the kids section and really on trend with what we are walking into 2023 with. The other piece of clothing I got was this crew neck that I'm actually wearing right now. It is a Pop Warner Heart of America 1998 cheer crew neck, and it has all the names of the cheer teams that participated in this 1998 competition. And I think that is so cute. I wasn't even born yet. I was not born until 1999, so the fact that I found this and only got this for about $5 and wasn't considered vintage is crazy. And I love a good, cool, vintage gray crew neck from the thrift store. I can't resist them. They're overflowing in my closet right now. It's ridiculous. The next thing I got was this really cute, just satin blue tank top, and it's not picking up too well right now on camera, but on the try on you can see the color blue that it is, and it has this really pretty lace detailing in the front, and it is actually a size large, but I just really like this for a good little swimsuit cover up in the summer. The next thing I found is something I actually wore to work today, and it is this A New Day, which I know is at Target, and it's like this really pretty lilac purple color blouse. I love how it has just a little v-neck in it, nothing crazy. I think this is perfect for work or a casual dinner date. You could also tuck this into some cute jean shorts in the summer and make it just a really cute little blousey top, and I think it's adorable, so this is definitely a good find. The next thing I found, I also thought I could double as a swimsuit cover up, but also something I could wear to work. This is a just white long sleeve sweater, but it's also really fitted, as you can see in the try on, which I think is really cute. You can wear this tucked into some jean shorts as well, or just kind of wear it oversized as a cover up. And this is the brand Pink Lily, and it's in small. It's like it's just an Instagram boutique, so I think that's really cute, and I'm glad that I found that for sure. I also found a really good pair of some flare leggings. So as you know, flare leggings are totally in right now. I honestly love looking for leggings at the thrift store because if they're not worn down, they are still really soft. You can get them for a couple bucks, which I believe these were only $4. These are perfect to wear with just a casual little sweater. They're pretty stretchy. These probably are about a size too big for me, but if I'm wearing them with an oversized t-shirt or hoodie, crew neck with it, then you're never gonna know. And I just love a good pair of leggings. The last piece of clothing that I got was these Carhartt jeans, and these are actually Carhartt women's jeans, which I did not know. Maybe this is stupid of me, but I didn't know Carhartt had women's jeans. And I think they are so pretty. The color, the wash of them. You guys know that one of my most popular videos on my channel is how to bleach your jeans, so I don't discriminate against like dark wash or light wash jeans in the thrift store, but these are the perfect light wash jean. I will say they are a little big around the waist, but nothing a little extra button or tie in the back can't fix. I just fell in love with the leg shape. They're super straight and wide legged, and unlike Levi's, sometimes thrift stores will upprice those. These were only $8. Like, that is a steal without a doubt at the thrift store. The next thing I got that was technically clothing before I get into my home decor is a pair of boots. Now, I literally freaked out when I found these. These were only $18, and when I looked these up online, they are $55 to $60, okay? Brace yourself. Pink Guess little booties. Like, these look just like my Steve Madden boots too. All I had to do was give these a little wash. Yes, they're creased up a little bit. Honestly, I think that's just from me wearing them to work, but these are literally so freaking cute. Like, are you joking me? And I will wear these on the try on for you guys. This would be perfect for jeans at work, to go out to eat, whatever you are doing. Just, you cannot go wrong with a good booty. And like I said, these are from Guess. They were in a 6.5, which is perfect size for me. And I freaking love them. And I lost my mind when I found them. Okay, so now I'm going to get into the home decor. And when I tell you guys, I found the holy grail of Pinterest home decor from the thrift store. Like, I don't know how else to describe it other than it is literally my Pinterest board. I cannot stress this enough. So I'm gonna get into the pieces I found and just make sure you guys are sticking around because this is gonna get good. Like, I'm obsessed. The first item that I found, this is a crystal clock. I don't know if this is just glass or real crystal, but I just feel like I've had something like this on my Pinterest board for such a long time. It just gives like 60s, 70s home decor, and that is something I love. I love the vibe I'm going for in my apartment. It's kind of something like these photos. So minimal modern, but mixed with that retro vintage looking pops of color and decor. That is why I love finding small statement pieces like this for my apartment, and it looks so pretty on my shelf. There's so many different ways to kind of style it on a surface, so this is one of my favorite things that I picked up. Keeping the trend of glass or crystalware, I found this really pretty heart dish. I like putting my Roku remote in there. I could even maybe put my keys in here. I probably will have multiple uses for this, and with it being Valentine's Day right around the corner, I just felt like this was such a perfect little find. Now, this is my favorite part. So me being an English teacher, I always look in the book section. I love getting books for my classroom, but I also had a vision of some really cool pastel or really cool different fonts on books that I could use to help me stack and layer on my surfaces. So again, just to relate back to my Pinterest board, I wanted that really cool stacked look with maybe like a modern looking statue or some old school Greek statues, which I was able to achieve by finding my Greek goddess statue and then finding these thrift store books. So I picked up these two books that have the absolute coolest font on them. I love the color. The first one literally reminds me of like the Keep on Truckin' font that everybody uses on YouTube, and it's actually the new energy sources for today. And I looked into the publication of this book, and this was published in 1978. So this book is from the 70s, and it's like talking about solar power, and it's just really cool to have something that can kind of take my apartment decor back in time, essentially. And this is a book that was published not too long ago, and it is called Bubble World, and this is the hardcover of it with no front. The pink letters with the blue, like, I just could not resist having something like this on my shelf. And these two together, stacked and being held up by a bookend, just looks adorable. I love it. It completely satisfied exactly what I had on my Pinterest. So that is about everything that I have for this thrift haul. I know I didn't get too many clothes, but it was just too good of a thrift haul to not share these gems with you guys. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure you are commenting and liking. Absolutely make sure you guys are subscribing if you liked this video. I promise you'll like my other videos as well. So if you are still sticking around and you have not subscribed yet, let this be your reminder, let this be your peer pressure to hit that subscribe button, please and thank you. I will see you guys in my next video, and make sure you do some thrifting over the weekend or whenever you watch this so you guys can pull some thrift decor as we transition into springtime. Thank you babes for watching, and I will see you guys next time.